Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows Start button or Windows key not working on your keyboard. Now, the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, since your Start button is stuck, we can't use the menu to fix this, so we have to use a keyboard shortcut to force the interface to reload. So go ahead and press Ctrl+Shift+Escape on your keyboard. And that should open your task manager. Now, in the list of processes, just simply look for Windows Explorer, which should be somewhere at the very bottom, or you can just press W to instantly find it. Now click on it, and then right-click on it, and click on Restart. Now, after doing that, your screen wallpaper and taskbar will flash or disappear for a few seconds. Now, this is completely normal. It is just the interface reloading. Now, once it comes back, try clicking on the Start button again. And if it opens, you're good to go. And if not, we need to dig a little deeper. So sometimes the Start menu's interface registration files get corrupted. So we can fix this using a command. But since you can't search for an app, we have to open it in a special way. So again, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open your task manager. And now over here, simply look at the top and click on the option called Run New Task. And then over here, a small pop-up window will appear. Just simply type PowerShell. Now, there is something that you should know. Make sure to check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. Once you have checked this box, click on OK. And after that, now just simply copy the command that I have provided in the description box below, or type it exactly as you can see on the screen, and then just simply hit Enter. Now, you might see some red text and green bars appearing. Just ignore them and let it finish. This manually forces Windows to reinstall the Start menu codes, so just simply wait for it to finish. Now, after doing that, if it is still broken, a system file is likely damaged, and we can scan and repair it using the same method. So again, go back to your task manager, then just simply click on Run New Task. This time, just going to type CMD. And make sure to check the administrative box over here, then click on OK. Now in the command prompt, just simply type SFC/scan now, and then hit Enter. This is the standard system file checker. It'll take up to 5 to 10 minutes to scan your whole computer, and if it finds any broken files, it'll fix them automatically. And once it reaches 100% completion, restart your computer, and your Start button should be working perfectly fine again. So, that's it. Your Windows interface should be back to normal. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching, and take care.